In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a real account on MetaTrader 5. So the first thing I have to tell you, and to get this out of the way, is that you can't actually open a live account on MetaTrader 5 itself. So on the platform itself, this is not going to be possible. However, you can connect accounts and then use your live accounts here on MT5 from different brokers, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this right now. Now, what you want to do is go to File, top left, and you want to click on Open an Account. Now, when you do this over here, you can see there's like your Find Your Company search, and by default, it's just going to be this meta quotes over here. So if you click on that and click on Next, it's going to allow you to open a demo account. However, a real account, of course, isn't available over here. So as you can see, it requires additional proof of identity, and you'll basically gonna have to provide copies of identification documents, etc. Or in other words, you'll basically have to sign in for a broker, okay? So I'm just going to go back over here, and let's say you want to sign up for a broker which you want to connect and open a real account there. So I'm just going to go, for example, type in XNAS over here and click on Find Your Company. Now over here, I'm going to find XNAS. For example, let's say it's this one over here, and you can just basically click on the link over here, which is going to take you to that specific broker's official website. And then whenever you do this, you'll be able to basically sign up over there, okay? So in my case, as you can see, it opened up XNAS UK, and of course, I can open an account over here via this sign in button top right, and of course I can then sign up for an account, for a live account. Now this of course is going to be different for each and every single broker. They all have different websites, different methods of signing up. Some offer demo accounts, some offer live accounts, some offer both. Of course, if you want to open a real account, a live account, you can basically sign up pretty much with any broker as long as it's supported in your country, and you'll be able to just get your account verified, of course via documents and then address and stuff like that. And whenever it's verified, you'll be able to upload your documents on there, and of course basically upload your money and funds, and you'll be able to then of course start trading. Now usually those will have their own trading terminals. However, a lot of brokers are going to provide you with a password and of course a username you can use on MT5 or MetaTrader 5 as well. So whenever you find this, you can simply find your broker in here and of course click on Next, and then you can just go and click on Connect with an existing trade account, and you can go ahead and basically put in the login and the password for MT5 as well as the server. Now whenever you've done this, you can click on Finish over here, and it's going to connect you with your broker. Now some brokers, not all of them, are going to allow you to basically open real accounts for live trading as well directly inside MT5. So if you do have this option, you can click on over here and click on Next, and then what's going to happen over here, you'll basically have to fill in your information. So as you can see right now here, it's asking me for a bunch of different things like first name, second name, etc. And what you can do is basically fill that in and just keep on clicking Next, and then you'll be able to essentially get your account set up that way. Now of course, make sure you actually upload your identity, your address, etc., everything which is going to be shown here on your screen, and you can sign up via that as well. That's going to be possible, but not with every single broker, okay? So just note that that's basically how to open real accounts on MetaTrader 5. That's all there is to it. If you need any more tutorials on how to connect a specific broker or an account of specific broker to MT5, I do have separate videos. I have a lot of them pretty much for every single broker you can find. So you can go and watch that first. And of course, whenever you have your real live account ready with your broker, you'll be able to connect it easily. Watching those videos, I'll show you exactly how to find them, how to connect them, where to get usernames, passwords, etc. Okay? So those are the ways you got. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.